In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing the font on your website can really enhance its look and feel, and I'm excited to show you how to do it step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start at the home page of your website that is powered by Odoo. This is where all the magic begins. If you're already logged into your Odoo account, navigate to the home page. It's pretty straightforward. Just look for the main landing page of your site. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to click on the Website menu option. After that, you'll see a button that says Edit located on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This will allow you to make changes to your site, including altering your fonts. Now that you're in the editing mode, look for the Theme option. Clicking on this will give you the chance to explore various font options available for your website. Tweak the fonts to your liking until you find the perfect style that suits your brand identity. It's a simple but effective way to give your website a fresh look. But it doesn't end there. If you want to change the text within input fields specifically, here's how to do it. Still in the Theme section, click on Input Fields. This option enables you to customize how the text appears inside text boxes and other input areas on your site, making them more user-friendly and visually appealing. Next, let's talk about the headers. If you're looking to change the font for all the headers on your website, there's a neat feature that makes this super easy. In the same theme settings, you will find an option that lets you select specific headers or change them all at once. This is great because it allows you to maintain consistency across your website's look and gives it a polished feel. After you've made your changes and are satisfied with how everything looks, it's finally time to save those updates. Make sure you click on the Save button to confirm all the changes to your website. You don't want to lose any of the hard work you've put in, right? And there you have it, a complete guide on how to change the font in Odoo. It's a straightforward process, and once you get the hang of it, you can easily transform your website and keep everything looking fresh and up to date. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Happy styling your website!